Beilong Corporation, the #1 chlorine chloride brand of China. As the important chlorine chloride production base of Beilong Group,
Beilong North Corporation, located in Zhejiang Farm, 80 kilometers to the south of the Tianjin port, where is the joint of Beijing-Shanghai Freeway,
Beijing-Shantou Freeway, Shihuang Freeway, and Seashore Freeway. Due to the predominant geographical conditions, we enjoy the absolute advantages in the introduction of raw materials and the delivery of finished products. From the angle of geographical position, design, and construction, we are the only chlorine chloride plant in China who strictly follows and implements the present laws and regulations of safety, environmental protection, and sanitation in the production. Those strict criteria ensure the sustainability of development, so the stability of product supply is definitely reliable.
The rational and normative layout ensures that we can distinguish the path of a personnel from material assets clearly and strictly. In the production and management, we abide strictly by the requirements of a FAMI QS and HACCP systems.
In order to refrain from dioxin pollution, we control the source and quality of material assiduously. Through the continuated testing by the SGS European Laboratory, the results prove that our products are reliable and safe. The slogan, "It's worth it, safety comes first," is our business's philosophy, as well as the reason you can trust in us.
Our laboratory center, built according to CNA standard, is equipped by advanced establishment and operated by strict procedure. It is authorized by the state with the third-party test qualification, and some research are also carried out in the lab.
Beilong Group's productions include the following specifications: 75% and 70% liquid, 50% and 60% silica carrier, 50%, 60%, and 70% vegetable carrier. Besides the indicators requirements of the national standard, we also control the product quality by referring to the EU official standard, the TMA remnant, MMA, DMA, and their ramifications. Heavy metals and vice reactant have all been controlled by us effectively.
China, EU, Beilong specifications. Reasonable price, best quality. This is our model, as well as the reason you choose our products and services.
Solid foundation, forge ahead, good faith, keep ahead. We, Beilong staff, never forget the 8-character principle. Regarding public health as our duty, insist on the safety and sanitary feed, and provide the safest feed, chlorine chloride, to the world. Technology section. Chlorine chloride. With formal name 2-hydroxyethanol trimethylene ammonia chloride. Chlorine chloride. Usage in complete formula feed, 0.1% to 0.4%, the maximum among vitamins. 1. Characteristics of liquid chlorine chloride. Clear liquid, achromatous. Salt and saline test. Soft, sweet, and fish smell, but no odor. Under normal temperature, the density of 70% to 75% liquid is 1.09 to 1.10 kilograms per liter. While the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, liquid with the concentrations higher than 75% may separate crystal from liquid. The quality of liquid chlorine chloride is the most important to ensure the quality of the series. We hereby suggest that customers pay more attention to the liquid instead of the appearance of the powdered form. 2. Characteristics of vegetable carrier, chlorine chloride. 1. Strong hygroscopy become faster along with increasing of concentration. 2. Fluidity. 3. The quality and content of the chlorine chloride has nothing to do with the simple concorb carrier. This results in a high content of ash, which expresses that there is carriers that are not from vegetable, and this is definitely forbidden by EU and US of A. 3. Characteristics of silicate carrier chlorine chloride. 1. Snow white color requires high quality liquid chlorine chloride. 2. No hygroscopy. 3. Fit to be added in aquatic feed. 4. Carrier is more expensive than vegetable forms, but this cannot stop it to be an excellent additive. As an honest and reliable manufacturer, we always oppose sudden huge profits and deception, promote legislation, and standardize the building as well as the establishing of a reliable supply security system. But it requires efforts from every participant of this industry to protect the long-term interests of enterprises and the health benefit for future generations.